right. Hey traders, Akil Stokes here. Welcome to another episode of the Trading Blog. We're out here in nature today. It is a beautiful day, and it's been a very, very great day on a few different fronts. We had a fantastic live room session today. Had some good trading, made about 40-something pips on a very nice pound Aussie trade, but we had about a 30-minute conversation towards the end of the room just on mindset, on the topic of being an entrepreneur, being a risk taker, and a few other topics that just lead it towards some very great discussion and really a great job. So hats off to our live room members for really taking the newer members and sharing their experiences, sharing their fear, sharing their trading story with them and really bringing them up. And we just followed it up with our final deliberate success workshop meeting of the year as well, where we did the same thing. We're working on programming young minds to be successful and take risk and really change their life. So to have that back to back was just amazing. And community is very important, right? You need people to help uplift you. I guess you don't need people to do it, but your chances of being successful are much greater when you have a mentor either showing you the way, or where you have people to work with that have the same goal. It's just very inspiring. The leader of our Deliberate Success program works for TEDx, TED Talks and whatnot. And he was talking about how in a week or so he's going up to New York to meet with all the TEDx developers, and it's just it's a very great experience because everyone is fired up, everyone is driven. You just feel more and more motivated. And I like to think that our live room is the same way. And as a trader, that's very important. I got a message the other day from a trader who was talking about he took a big hit on the pound trade. The pound has been moving a little bit crazy lately with all the election news and whatnot that's coming out, and we've seen some very big jumps, and the trader unfortunately took a rip on one of those trades, and got another message this morning where that trader was talking about getting back involved. And it really, I got the sense that he was thinking about revenge trading. I got to make that money back. And those are, great examples of where when you're by yourself, you let all of those negative thoughts come into your mind, and typically they win out, especially if you're a newer trader that's not very disciplined. But if you have a community around you, if you have other people in your ear saying, hey, stick to your plan, stick to your guns, are you supposed to do that, should you be doing this, to kind of tap you on the shoulder like a coach and just remind you, say, hey, let's refocus, you're more likely not to make those mistakes. You're more likely to stick to your trading plan, and well, whenever you stick to your trading plan, you're more likely to see the success that you want. So we had a great example of that in the live room. I'll share some footage with you from that. And again, topic of the day, just the power of community, the power of positivity around you. And I truly believe that if you surround yourself with positive people, if you surround yourself in a positive environment, then it's going to be very, very, very hard to fail. It's only when you get left out there by yourself with your thoughts and your doubts and your fear that you let those overcome your better judgment and you start to go backwards. So here's some live room footage I'll share with you on that topic. And until next time, plan your trade your plan. Take care. Guys are supporting the newer traders in the room, this is why I love the community. We want to have this room full of experienced traders and newer traders, so that it's not just me barking at you. You have traders in here that I came from the same boat as you guys, but it doesn't seem like that anymore because I've been doing well for so long. So it's good to have people where it's like, oh man, he's a student too, and they're telling me this good stuff, that this is the motivation, this is the support that we talked about earlier. This is what takes a trader from consistently struggling to consistently profitable. That support, the belief that they can, the tap on the shoulder saying, I got you, we're going to work through this together. Community is everything, I'm telling you. You don't realize it until you're alone by yourself, but community is everything. And the stronger the community is, the stronger the trader is. And the stronger the trader is, the stronger they help the community be. And then we all get stronger together, right? It's not one of those deals where we're all climbing this mountain of success and we're trying to kick the person, right, underneath us. That's what a lot of people out there on the internet want to do. They want all the glory to themselves. So they climb the mountain and then someone's climbing up beneath them and they thrust their leg down and try to kick them down the hill. That's not us. We reach a hand back and pull each other up. We climb a little bit higher, we reach a hand back, we pull the next trader up. That next trader climbs a little bit higher, we reach a hand back, we pull that trader up. And we all work together to become great traders. then you can do fun stuff with each other. Then we can do fun stuff. So I love it. This is why I do education. People ask all the time, how come you don't manage money anymore? You do education. Managing money doesn't give you this feeling. Managing money can make a lot of money. Money isn't everything, right? Feeling, doing good, doing something positive, making an impact, making a lasting change. That's what, when you die, that's what your value is. I don't care about dying with a boatload of money. You can't do anything with it. You die and you know you made a lasting impact that kind of worked its way down to people. That's what you value. All right, let's take our 10-minute break, 13-minute break. All right, traders, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please show us by hitting that like button and subscribing by clicking the button right below. If you're looking for more educational content, feel free to head over to our TradingPower.com website, or also take a look and you'll see more videos available for you. Have a good one.